I'm JB Lumani Bugan. I'm 31 years old, married, and have 3 children, 2 sons and 1 daughter, and 8 years old, 7 years old, and 3 years old.
Okay, JB, can you tell me your working experience?
Experience in working in Taiwan and take care grandma, 89 years old, and 3 children. She's a policeman. And my female employer is a housewife, and my employer,
What is the job of yours, sir?
postman.
He's a postman.
Yes,
Okay. And then for how many years you been staying with them?
8 months.
Okay, what is the reason why you stay only 8 months?
Family problem.
Okay, so now your family problem is okay?
It's okay.
Okay. So if you want to be there in Hong Kong, who will take care of your child?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
Okay, so is your husband allow you to be there in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay. And then can you tell me when you work there in Taiwan, can you tell me your daily routine from the time you wake up until the night time you sleep?
Working, cleaning, washing, cleaning, and cooking.